Assalamu alaikum, my dear and proud Falconians. This is your teacher Shagufta Faisal signing in from Falcon House Grammar School, Campus 9. So guys, we are talking about the invaders, the ancient invaders, the previous invaders who had attacked the subcontinent. They were the early people. Last time we were talking about the Aryans, that how Aryans have attacked the subcontinent and how they have just vanished all the people who were living over there at that time. After the Aryans, there was a new breed came over there from the Iran, mostly known as the Persians. So the Persians, when came over here, they brought lots of knowledge, lots of wisdom, lots of new ideas to live the life. What were the ideas? What were the new ideas? They have introduced exchange of money, excuse me. Money was not introduced at that time in the subcontinent, and they were doing the trading while exchanging the goods. So they have brought the money idea. They have brought new ideas to build in the civil engineering, in the architecture, and in civil engineering, architecture and building new buildings like forts or other things like that. So civil engineering was quite interested at that time of period. The Persian people had brought new herbs and shrubs in the form of a medicine. They knew they were quite of nomadic people, so that's why they had idea about the herbs growing in the forest or in plain areas. So such thing enhanced their knowledge regarding the medicine industry. So they were quite you can't say that much educated, but they were very much, they had very good IQ level, were very informative, because nomadic people have lots of information regarding one place to another place, regarding one thing to another thing, right guys? So after this they had introduced steel, a metal, and at that time steel was quite expensive, so and in a very less amount steel was using in the all over the world, but they have introduced a new metal named steel. After this steel was used even in their weapons, so they were having very tough type of weapon like spears and swords in a steel form. So they were quite you can say organized people, and Persian were ruling in a very you can say all of the Asia and a part of Africa as well. So they had a very big empire, very huge empire, and they were ruling over there. They had different governors in their different areas. Because the empire was so great, so the Persian ruler were having the different governors over there. Persian people conquered the Gandhara area, and they made their capital in the Taxila, which still exists in the Pakistan. So while they have attacked over here, they had brought a blast of culture, blast of new ideas, blast of their tradition, their languages, and all such things just take their roots in the subcontinent, and everything was just spread like a magic in the subcontinent. You know what I mean? At that time, Taxila was the center of the learning of art, architecture, music, and farming. New ideas of the farming was taught over there, and lots of different innovations were made in the subcontinent, especially in the Gandhara and the Taxila at that time. For this reason, I had made a slide, I have made a documentary for you guys which will explain more about the Gandhara civilization, the Persian Empire, and at that time how they had attacked the Gandhara and the subcontinent. Okay guys, so let's move on to the slide and get more information regarding the Persian Empire, right? So let's see.